is Dr. Eric Tangumonkem with IEM Approach, where we inspire, equip, and motivate people to discover God's great potential in them, develop that potential, and deploy it. For you to deploy the potential that is in you, you have to beware of getting lazy, of becoming a sluggard. It doesn't start with gigantic step. It's going to slip on you slowly and gradually. If you change the right habits that you're having right now, it's going to lead to failure. However, if you stick to the plan and you keep on the path, you are going to get victory. I read something this morning in Proverbs. King Solomon says that he passed by the field of a man who lacked wisdom, and what he noticed was that the fence around the field was broken, everything was in disarray, and the whole field was covered with thorns and thistles. And this is what he concluded: a little slip, a little folding of arms to rest, and poverty will overtake you as a bandit. A little slip, a little folding of arms to rest, and poverty will overtake you as a bandit. It is very important to understand that there is no place of neutrality. You're either increasing or moving ahead, or losing weight. There is no neutral place. Most people think there is. There isn't. You are either improving or you are depreciating. It's very important for you to understand that cultivating the right habits, sticking to them, taking one step